G'day, I'm Trevor from Star Partners, here with some brand new townhouses ready to move in, located in a lovely little pocket that's highly sought after in Jamisontown. Only one thing left to do. Let's go take a look inside. And welcoming you through the door, these well-appointed modern open plan living dining design lets in lots of natural light with tiled flooring, ducted air conditioning and even dual TV options, giving you those little extra creature comforts to relax and unwind. And here in the kitchen, the features don't end there. Stone benchtop, gas hob and oven and soft closed drawers. They've even thrown in the dishwasher. Now, whether it's the 3 or 4 bedroom options you're looking at, all benefit double bed space, ducted air and built-in wardrobes. And how luxurious is this? A fantastic 4-piece bathroom suite, as well as ensuite and downstairs guest toilet. So what do you think? Jam-packed full of benefits, 3 or 4 bedrooms and priced under that $650 threshold. What more can you want? If you're interested in finding out more information about these properties or you'd like to pop along to the open home, do feel free to give me a call on 0466 496 944. I'm Trevor Holmes, as always, bringing you the best homes. I look forward to seeing you soon.